Hi guys! It's me, Gurong Gala, and welcome back to my YouTube channel! For today's video, tara at samahan ninyo ako na manood at makinig muli sa isa na namang performance na talaga nga namang ating kagigiliwan. Pero bago natin ipagpatuloy ang reaction video na ito, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga videos na ina-upload natin. At eto na nga, ang ating papakinggan at papanoorin ngayon ay ang ating paboritong bandang Franz Rhythm. Kaya naman guys, huwag na nating patagalin at sabay-sabay nating pakinggan at panoorin ang kanilang song cover ng To Love Somebody. Let's go! Go Master Franz!
A certain kind of light that never shone on me.
Grabe talaga boss ni Master Franz.
I want my life to be to live with you, live with you. There's a way.
Galing, nilalaro lang niya.
Everybody say in every little thing, but what good does it bring if I ain't got you, ain't got you, baby? You don't know what it's like, baby. You don't know what it's like to love somebody. Love somebody the way I love you.
Galing, pang-international yung team ng boss ni Master Franz.
In my brain, I see your face again. I know my brain is mine. You ain't got to be so blind. So blind. I'm a man. Can't you see what I am? I live and breathe for you. But what good does it do if I ain't got you? Ain't got you, baby. You don't know what it's like. Somebody the way I love you. Yeah.
Whoa! Nice one! Grabe din talagang galing ni Lods mag-drum, no? Si Shara Teacher na galing din sa mga instruments.
Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody, the way I love you. Yeah!
Oh.
You don't know what it's like. Baby, you don't know what it's like to love somebody. Love somebody the way I love you. You don't know what it's like.
Grabe naman yun. Ang ganda naman ng pagkaka-cover nila ng To Love Somebody. Ibang klase ka, Master Franz, ha? At si Char at si Chen, in fairness talaga, ang galing ng tenga nila kasi nasasabayan nila yung main vocalist, si Master Franz, na ibe-blend nila yung boses nila doon sa kung paano kumanta si Master Franz. At syempre, para naman kay Dudes, sa murang edad niya, 'di ba, na-expose siya sa yung mga dati pang kanta na patuloy pa rin inaawit ng kanilang pamilya. Kaya naman guys, kung gusto niyo pa ng ganitong content, huwag niyong kakalimutang mag-like, share and subscribe, and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos natin. Yun lang. Thank you for watching!